Hello friends, welcome back to Learn by Rahul, and today we are going to discuss about a very most important topic in Java, inheritance. So what is inheritance? Firstly, we understand the inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquire all the properties and the behaviors of parent objects. Let me take a very simple example. Suppose a father having a child and child acquire like the face and the height, all these things from the father. Okay, so here the father is a parent and the child is a child class here. So let me take a very simple example. Suppose we have a class A. This is taking as a parent class. Okay, now I want to acquire all the behavior in the child class, so I have added one child B. Now to acquire all the behavior from the class A, we use the keyword extends. Most of the interview directly asks to you which keywords we use for the inheritance or what is the syntax for the inheritance. So you can directly say to you we use the child class and use the keywords is what extends. Okay, now I want to call all the method from the class B to the parent class. So as we have a method is called from A, now I want to call from the B. So what we will do, we create the object from the class B and call directly obj.call. So it would be called directly from the A. The same things I will do obj.camera, but camera is not the part of the A. It is already inbuilt in the class B. So we can directly call from object. Okay. Now I'm just running here. So here you can say calling. So calling is the part of the method A. So this is what the inheritance. Now we talk about the types of inheritance. So basically we have the five types of inheritance: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and the last one hybrid inheritance. So as we have the example, so this is the part of the single inheritance. So as you can see here, like we have only extend only one class, that is A. So this is the part of a single inheritance. Now we talk about multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance we acquire from multiple class. Okay, so we have suppose the child class and we want to acquire the two multiple parents. So it is not possible in Java. And then most of the interviewer directly asked you, is it possible to multiple inheritance? So the answer is no. It is not possible in Java. So we will basically use for interface for multiple inheritance. We will talk about later. So right now we are talking about the types of inheritance. So we move on. The next is multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance means suppose we have the parent class A. Now we have inherit class B by extend keyword A. So I use right now class A as a parent. Okay. Now we are taking the class C and inheritance the all part of class B and we are taking as a class B parent. So as you can see, class A, class B extend A and class C extend B. So this is the example of the multi-level inheritance. Now we move on the hierarchical inheritance. So hierarchical means we have a parent only one class and multiple child class. So what we will do, class A extend B, class C extend B, and class D another class and extend again B. And don't take it like the only this is thing class extend B. We have the body and multiples methods too, and we will do the same method as we are doing here. So here you can see we have taken the parent class and we have the multiple method. Okay, so don't take it like we are just writing to understand, that's it. This is not the exact syntax, but I'm just telling to you what we are doing here. Okay, now we talk about the hybrid inheritance. So in hybrid, let me explain with the example. Suppose we have a class A, so we have inherited in class B, and class B inherit to class D. Same thing we are doing the class A to class C. So this is all about inheritance. Keep watching and keep comment if you have any query and doubt.